Cracking down on COVID-19 violations. Tonight, the state announced a business can be fined up to $10,000 for breaking capacity limits.
Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Sharon Johnson is live in Manchester with more details on the new penalty. Sharon.
Well, right now I'm in the back of the Hungry Tiger Cafe and Restaurant here in Manchester, which is temporarily shut down due to COVID-19 violations. Now, it's been closed since yesterday, of course, before this penalty was announced, but this is just one example of how local and state authorities are cracking down on businesses.
Every spot is sanitized and wiped down when the staff or when the guest gets up. Hand sanitizer pumps, hand wipes.
The main pub in Manchester has been operating for 40 years. Owner Keith Bollier says this is their hardest year yet, and they've been doing everything they can to stay open, including following COVID-19 health guidelines. He wants all of his peers to do the same.
And then you have a few bad actors that can really ruin it for the rest of us. A majority of us, they're out there doing the good thing.
The state is tightening the reins on restaurants as COVID cases increase. Here in Manchester, officials shut down the Hungry Tiger Cafe and Restaurant on Monday. A health violation order says the restaurant failed to comply and enforce social distancing, among several other sector rules. Down in New Haven, the city recently started doling out fines ranging from $100 to $500 for restaurants that defy mandates.
The contact tracing efforts have indicated that a lot of cases are also linked to restaurants, the high risk of indoor facilities.
And now businesses can face up to $10,000 per violation for breaking capacity rules. That goes into effect this Thursday. Bollier says he's going to do what it takes to stay afloat.
I may or may not disagree or agree with all the rules at hand, but I want to stay open and I want to be here when this is all said and done. So I'm doing what I need to do. Number one, for the safety of my staff. Number two, for the safety of our guests.
And back out here at the Hungry Tiger, we reached out to the restaurant, but the owner says they have no comment at this time. Now, the fire department says that there is a re-inspection scheduled for tomorrow morning, and if the restaurant makes some changes, they'll be able to reopen for the holiday. Live in Manchester tonight, Sharon Johnson, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.